Alright, so nagbabalik tayo for another video, and for today's video, let's talk about, I think, a word that is easily misused by a lot, no? And let's talk about your commitment. Okay. So, this goes out to everyone, di ba? Of course, if you want to become good at something, no, it takes discipline, it takes effort, and commitment. So, akala kasi ng iba pag sinabi nilang commitment is papasok ako kapag gusto ko. Magpa-practice ako kapag may time ako. Naging ganon, di ba? Pero, in order for you to be fully committed in a certain discipline, you have to walk the talk, di ba? Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin lang na, gusto ko. You have to understand that you have to put in the work. Diba? So, ano bang problema? Diba? So, a lot of people kasi say na, oh, committed ako, ganito, gagawin ko yung best ko, ganyan. Pero when the time comes when you need to put in the work, wherein you need to put it in the schedule, biglang, ay, sorry, may ganito pala. Ay, sorry, may ganyan pala. Diba? Ganun yung common na nangyayari. Now, I'm not trying to bash anyone, no? Of course, we have all a lot of things going on in each of our lives, no? Pero the level of commitment that you put in, yung tipong prioritizing your practice versus going out, prioritizing your practice before doing other things, no? Or bago ka mag-scroll sa cellphone mo, 'di ba? That's a level of commitment na kailangan. Now, even sa lessons, 'di ba? So, sasabihin mo kailangan consistent ako magle-lesson every week as much as possible, 'di ba? Tapos biglang nag-lesson ka this week, next week biglang ay birthday pala ng asawa ng tita ko. Hindi ako pwede. Biglang ganun na, 'di ba? So, that type of things, 'di ba? Parang it's so small, but it matters a lot, no? Kasi again, when we're developing musical skills, the reality is nawawala siya eh. So, if you're a beginner starting out, tapos yung start mo, nag-lesson ka this week, next week wala na naman kasi meron pa ulit schedule, tapos magle-lesson ka ulit. Sa tingin mo ba, mag-i-improve ka agad, 'di ba? So, hindi mo pa siya makukuha agad. I mean, even for professionals, this also happens, di ba? Na sometimes, pag nakapag-vacation tayo ng medyo mahaba, pagbalik natin, medyo nangangalawang, we have to like set up a day for us to practice a lot and just retain or regain the skills that we lost. Kasi nawawala talaga siya. It's a skill that is constantly trying to get away from you. No, music skills. No, so kahit anong instrument, ganun talaga siya eh. So your level of commitment will show how successful you can get in music, in your music making, 'di ba? Yan. So, yun nga, lagi ko na experience, 'di ba? May mga untoward incidences na parang okay, emergency, walang lesson, yun mga ganun, okay. Pero yung iba parang, birthday po ni ganito, ganyan. Or meron daw po kaming lakad. Ako kasi never ako nagkaroon ng ganong excuse, no? As far as I remember. Siguro swerte din ako with my parents and their priorities for us, no? When we were younger. Kasi nung bata ako talagang kailangan magpa-practice ako araw-araw. And they call me out if I don't. Talagang sabihin na, oh, hindi ka pa nag-practice, ganyan. Hindi naman ako pinapalo para mag-practice. Pero alam mo yun, the constant reminders, no? Now, if you're an adult, mag-alarm ka para magpag-practice ka, diba? So, yun, nung bata ako, talagang, o pag sinabi kong magpa-practice, isang oras, practice ka doon. Diba? Pag may lesson, kahit may ganap sa buhay, pwede ka pa rin namang mag-lesson, no? I remember, may mga events din kami na mga kailangan puntahan over the weekend, but we never canceled lessons because of that. Usually what ends up happening nung bata pa kami is that mag-lesson kayo ng mas maaga kung ganitong oras yung pupuntahan, pwede naman eh, 'di ba? So magle-lesson kami on an earlier time, tapos pupunta kami kung saan namin kailangan pumunta. So if you put your lessons, kasi for example, lessons and practice time, dito talaga mas test yung commitment mo. If you put them in a schedule, di ba? Bakit mo kailangan i-cancel? Weekly na yan naka-schedule, di ba? Why would you need to cancel it? Work around it, di ba? Pwede naman yun eh. So, kasi din na napapansin ko na a lot of the people nowadays kinda feel like it's okay. I mean, in reality, it's okay, but there's this kasi, there's this level of discipline and commitment nga na talagang pag prioritize mo yan, mas malayo yung mararating mo. Kasi if you miss a session, if you miss a practice, talagang nawawala siya eh. Hindi natin may kakaila. That it's not something permanent. Hindi yan forever nasa'yo. As long as you keep working on it, nandyan yan. Pero pag nawala, wala. Diba? So, if you want to be a full-time musician, if you want to be good at it, diba? Schedule it around your life. Talagang ipasok mo siya sa schedule na, okay, kailangan within a day makapag-practice ka, diba? Minsan tayo ganito. Pa-practice ako. Tinawagan ako ni friend. Labas tayo, ganyan. Mamaya na lang yan. Di ba? Ganun eh. Tapos, pagbalik mo, pag uwi mo ng bahay, pagod ka na. Bukas na lang. Tapos bukas, pagod ka pa rin. Bukas na naman. Di ba? So, hindi ka gagaling pag ganun. So, kaya yung iba parang, ang bilis din ma-frustrate, ang bilis mag-give up because you didn't put in the right amount of work. Diba? Yun lang yun eh. So, if you're committed to becoming the best musician that you can be, make sure you're committed not just in words but also in actions, in the way you live your life, no? Music kasi for me is never just a work, no? It's like a lifestyle that you have to revolve it around. 'Di ba? Parang ganun. 'Di ba? So, sana nakatulong to. If it did, comment down below if you have other questions or comments in this topic. And I'll see you on the next one. Good luck sa inyo.